whether you're moving around, sitting still, or falling down. Dynamics play a key role in anything that moves or doesn't move. Hi, I'm Ben Southwick and this is Professor Ben, a show where I try to teach you a little bit more about science. Today's episode is on Translational Dynamics. First, we have to tell the difference between a scalar value and a vector value. A scalar value has size, but no direction. You know how big it is, but that's about all you know. A vector value has size and direction, meaning not only do you know how big it is, you also know where it's going. The first parts of dynamics we'll talk about are distance and displacement. Distance and displacement are similar values, but they have some key differences. Distance tells you how far you've traveled or how far you are from something, but that's about all it tells you. Displacement tells you how far you are from a given point and the direction you are from that point. If you were talking about distance, you could say that you've walked 50 meters. If you were talking about displacement, you could say that you were 20 meters north of where you were before. The important thing to remember is that with displacement, you have a direction. The second two values of dynamics are speed and velocity. In this case, speed is the scalar value and velocity is the vector value. Speed tells you how fast you're going. Velocity tells you how fast you're going and in what direction. To be a bit more technical about it, velocity is actually the change in displacement over time. An example of speed would be saying that you're running 5 miles per hour. An example of velocity would be saying that you were running 5 miles per hour south. The third part of dynamics is acceleration. Acceleration is always a vector because its direction is very important. Acceleration is the change in velocity over change in time. So if anything speeds up or slows down, or changes velocity in any way, it's accelerating. If an object's velocity is in one direction, and its acceleration is in the other direction, the object will begin to slow down. If the acceleration is in the same direction as velocity, the object will begin to speed up. These parts of translational dynamics are pretty basic, but there's a lot you can do with them in physics and other sciences. If you learn these basics, you can apply them to a lot of cool and important parts of the world around you. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, comments, complaints, concerns, or suggestions, please leave a comment below. If you felt that you enjoyed this video, feel free to like or subscribe.